What's up guys, not Clash and today show you how to separate chests. Like on my back, they were separated on each other. So let me go to the first view. As you can see, they were separated each other and there are drop chests. Because drop chest has a reddish right here in the teeth of the chest. So we'll show you how to separate them in the easiest way. So guys, first you need a chest and an anvil. So first put a chest right there, an anvil, put the chest and name it like subscribe. There you go, just get the chest. And as you can see, when I put it there and there and right here, there. See guys, it didn't mix. Problem thing is it says subscribe in your chest, but if you put a chest near it, it's gonna mix just like that. So without the drop chest, we just put it like that, just like pretty nice looking for a basement. Then you put all your chests right there. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this little short video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and I'm gonna just put the email of them. And yeah, comment down below if you watch this. Also, I'll make a video about this because Adventure Gaming HQ just read my question. So it's just earlier in the morning. Well, he just streaming. Then I saw he streaming in the YouTube, so it was live. So I just watched. Then he just said that he will go answer 5 questions. So I put repeatedly. I put, what do you play other than MCP? So he just read that. I was shocked because I thought it wasn't going to read because many people were online and chatting on that live thingy in the chat. So I'm very lucky because I'm one of the Adventure Gamings that read it. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna see you guys later in another video.